of the key of responsibility from Jamila Nicole Dolchet, SCLG President, school year 2025-2026, to Queenie H. Bayatan, SCLG President, school year 2026-2027. Please give them a resounding applause.
Good day, everyone. Today, I am standing here with a thankful heart as I turn over the key of responsibility as the CLG President for school year 2025-2026. Being a president was not always easy, but it was truly an honor. I learned that leadership is not about being the boss. It is about serving, listening, and helping others. Thank you to our school head, Ma'am Annie G. Bayona, to my teachers, my fellow officers, and all students for your support and care. Everything I achieved this year was because we worked together. As I pass this key, I pass responsibility to continue serving with honesty, kindness, and dedication. To our new SU President Tina H. Mariata, I believe in you. Lead with your heart and always think of what is the best for the students. Thank you for allowing me to serve. I will always be proud to be part of Supreme Elementary Government School at Calisa Elementary School. Thank you so much.
With gratitude and humility, I accept the key of responsibility as the new SCLG President for school year 2026-2025. Thank you to everyone who trusted and voted for me. I promise to do my best in serving honesty and dedication. This year reminds me that leadership is not about power, but about responsibility. I am here to lead, to help, and represent you. To our outgoing President, Jamila Nicole Dolchet, thank you for your hard work and good example. We will continue what you have started. I cannot do this. I see the support of my fellow officers, teachers, and students. Together we can make this school year successful and meaningful. Thank you, and let us work together for a better, stronger SELG of Talisay Elementary School. Thank you so much, and once again, good morning.